the liberty is given to them to select the team, but it is vetted also. As you see that they are talking about the states also, and there are certain things which are common to NCC, otherwise to different.
Jain sir. Explore their aptitude through various opportunities. Our directorate is the only directorate that has 50:50 ratio of boys to girls among senior cadets. Starting with the Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandhana Yojana, which gives cash incentives to encourage improved health amongst pregnant women. Delhi Dati scheme drops female pesticides, thus enabling a girl infant to get a chance to sprout. Further, the deployment of 13,000 women marshallers, CCTV cameras, vehicle tracking system under the Safe City program is appropriately supported by an online mobile application, Himmat, which allow women in distress to send emergency message to police officials. The Delhi Commission for Women offers legal help through flagship program like Sahyogini, while the Women Works program helps the women of Delhi to start their own business and become financially independent. The entire journey of a girl child from her birth to financial independency culminates with an annual award of Nari Shakti Puraskar given by the President of India to an individual or institution working toward the cause of women empowerment. Jain sir. Jain sir.
This is about the Iraq, sir. We're talking about what is your dream?
Team is a world-class state in the making.
Jain sir. So under Officer Shivam.
The airbase is a new one.
Yes sir.
You all were involved in the planning also?
Yes,
Or these also these were
Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh.
Yes sir.
you were involved in the planning?
Yes sir, we were involved in the planning and the layout and making of the flag area and the poster evidence.
A lot of hard work you all have taken.
Jain sir.
Jammu and Kashmir, sir. Talking about these prosperity, sir. Nice.
It's my honor to brief you the flag area of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Directorate. The theme allotted to our directorate is toward peace, progress and prosperity. So, the background image of the model is in the shape of a butterfly, depicting the logo of Smart City project as planned in different cities of Jammu and Srinagar. Government is giving mega push to infrastructure like Umlingla Pass, Chenab Bridge and hydropower projects. These are some of the projects of government that will bring progress and prosperity in the region. As a testimony to peace, today the Lal Chowk is proudly lit up in tricolor and there is normalcy all around. To engage the youth gainfully, government is giving mega push to education and sports sector. Tari University is the only trans-Himalayan university that provides education to the youth of Ladakh. This year saw bumper crop production of apple, apricots and saffron. Under National Saffron Mission, the Kashmiri saffron got GI tag. Kashmir, the tourist delight. This year witnesses 1.7 crore of tourists. The tourist sector contributes 7% to the GDP of the region. The healthcare sector is also improving with upcoming projects of 2 AIIMS, 5 medical colleges and 7 nursing colleges. To conclude, I say with confidence that new dawn has arrived in the crowning jewel of India, that is Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. The region has witnesses unprecedented, fast-paced growth in each and every walk of life, leading to all-round peace, progress and prosperity. Jai Hind, sir.
Well done.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Karnataka, sir. Bangalore. Yes, sir. Sir, CSM, sir. Company Sergeant Major. 9th grade, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. My junior, sir. 8th grade. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Work hard.
Sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, sir.
Everyone loves to be director, sir. Talking about we have started this
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind, sir.
NCC director Maharashtra, sir.
You are more Prachi.
Yes, sir. Kiran Prachi Kateva, sir. Maharaj is known to set a first proper navy to guard the coastal boundaries. He used small and mid-sized ships. He also constructed 11 forts on the western frontiers.
The Battle of Basrur was the first battle to be fought and won at sea by the Maratha king. After his demise, Kanhoji Angre was appointed as the admiral. The Royal Indian Navy, established by the British, headquartered at Bombay, was used by it. During World War I, men were hired in large number, thus denied the basic living necessities. This enraged them, and they led the Royal Indian Navy Mutiny of 1946. Finally, on 26 January 1950, the Indian Navy was born. Recently, the naval ensign had undergone a change, where the Lokmudra of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was used in the form of a. From Sanghameshwari to INS Vikrant, the Indian Navy has developed drastically and will keep flourishing in the future. Thank you, Jai. Thank you.
You want to join the Navy?
No, sir, I want to join the Indian Army as a doctor. Yes, sir.
Some additional. This idea was also yours? Or? So this you picked up this topic or? Well done.
Jain, sir.
Okay. This from the Sam, right?
Jain, sir.
Tell us briefly.
Bande Utkala Janana is a story about the plastics action by India and NCC. Every year, 11 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean. Like black holes in the universe, we now have bitons of plastic gyres at sea, destroying the environment and endangering food security. Sensing the urgency, India has called for regulatory and voluntary actions. India has piloted a resolution addressing single-use plastic at the UNEP port, banning single-use plastic from 1st July and carry bags of less than 120 microns. It has assisted states and union territories under Swachh Bharat Mission 2 for solid waste management. It has directed producers, importers and brand owners to fulfill extended producers' responsibility for plastic packaging. It has empowered state pollution control boards to enforce Plastic Waste Management Rule 2016 and launched the Swachh Sagar, Surakshit Sagar and the Puneet Sagar Abhiyan. Rolling out Puneet Sagar Abhiyan on 1st December 2021, NCC has emerged as the most successful movement to protect the soup of 3, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 Sustainable Development Goals. I would like to conclude by saying that when India leads the world at G20 and UNEP, NCC changes lifestyle for environment through Puneet Sagar. सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा, कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर अब चढ़ा. जब प्लास्टिक से हुई धरती परेशान, एनसीसी लाया पुनीत सागर अभियान. जैन साहब.
Under officer at Puneet Sagar.
You also work for how much time?
So we have just this for 36 hours, and as for the idea, sir, we got it from a combination from the different competitions which were at the time.
You also think about Gandhipat scheme?
Yes, sir. So it's by the responsible. Yes, sir.
Jain, sir.
So you come from which place?
Chennai, sir. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. This proverb highlights the significance of our theme, Tamil Nadu, a beacon of water conservation. I, Karthikeya Srimay, welcome you to our Directorate's flag area. Tamil Nadu and Andaman together constitute 4.25% of India's land area and is inhabited by 6.03% of its population. while it contains only 2.5% of the country's total resources. Tamil Nadu is largely a semi-arid zone and is dependent on its monsoons, while the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are dependent on its groundwater resources. Our ancestors have visualized this potential risk and applied traditional wisdom for efficient management and conservation of water resources. For example, a simple system of airing a tank was utilized as a reservoir apart from acting as a flood control mechanism. Kudi Maravattu, a unique community-based system of managing irrigation systems, while in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, tap wells cater to the need of potable water by catching the runoff water. Over 10,000 women in the Vellore district of Tamil Nadu constructed recharge wells, resulting in the revival of the Naganadi River, which had dried up many years ago. This effort was lauded by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in the 81st episode of the monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat. Tamil Nadu was awarded the first prize at the National Water Awards, organized by the Ministry of Jal Shakti in 2019, as a result of construction of 100 check dams and coverage of over 2 lakh hectares through micro-irrigation networks. Recently, in September 2022, Andaman and Nicobar Islands were declared as India's first Swachh Jal Pradesh by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andaman and Nicobar Islands have taken innovative and pragmatic measures to recharge and rejuvenate their existing water bodies. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying that the water cycle and life cycle are deeply interconnected. Neither can exist without the support of one another. Gents, thank you, sir.
Just shorten it. Can you shorten your briefing? Okay. Or you just conclude. I'll understand. No? The last part.
उत्तराखंड की करती है। यहाँ की फिजाएं ऐसी कि आपका मन मोह है। यहाँ का जवान जब दहाड़े तो कोहराम हो जाए। ये उत्तराखंड की मिट्टी है जनाब, जहाँ रावण भी राम हो जाए। Nestled with the enchanting vistas of majestic Himalayas in the north to pristine rivers in the south lies the wonderful gift of nature, our incredible Uttarakhand. In the exotic panoramic trails to camping in the meadows lies the wondrous Valley of Flowers and the Nanda Devi National Park, home to 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Fusing radiance to the hinterland are the magnificent glaciated peaks of Nanda Devi, Chaukhamba and Trishul. The first and oldest tiger reserve under Project Tiger was created in Uttarakhand in 1936 and it was named after the famous British tracker Jim Corbett. The land of Devbhoomi, abode of much revered temples of Chota Chardham, is selfishly blessed by Mother Nature from all the corners. From Panch Padri to Panch Kedar and Panch Prayag lies the highest lodge rich heritage. Uttarakhand's diverse ethnicities are a cluster of mainly Garhwali and Kumaoni cultures. At the end, I would want to conclude by saying, the land of divinity or the land of spirituality. What shall I say? I would rather say it's an incredible land. Thank you, sir.
Saha. So all Umang over there. How much time you all plan for this?
72 hours we made it, and we planned for around 2-3 days for put in the
The idea concept for
it's through competition.
better.
Jain sir.
Good. So this has been executed.
Yes, sir.
This is on board.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Jain sir.